So yeah, guys, and so I'm back. Hold on. Yeah. Jeez, I disconnected again. Guys, this is like literally my third take just for this. Gosh, alright guys, so how about get right into this video. So hey, what's going on guys, it's RJ Gaming, and today I'm back at it again. Yes, back at it again with another video. And you guys seriously smashed it on the last one. Yeah, so how about we just like quickly go into this game and let's do this. Okay. Well, okay, I'm gonna vote for the map. I like the hotel, it's absolutely fun. Spruce is actually literally my favorite block, but how about we do this? Okay. Also guys, I'm almost sick today. I'm sorry. Except yeah, so Elmo's sick. Which actually kinda sucks for him is cause he's like a little idiot, sort of. Yeah, and also you kinda sound like Stitch. I don't know why. Stitch. Okay. Stitch, go away. Well, it's because I said, well. Because I said. Okay. Oh, okay, never mind. And also, I'm so sorry if you can't hear my audio. I'm at the gaming audio. That's why I turned it up a little bit. It's because this app does not allow gaming audio. I have to buy gaming audio. Oh, I know what to do. Ah, you scared me. Sorry. Come here, Mr. Crafting Table. I will praise you. Alright. Those guys just I suck at parkour. Alright, let's see. Oh. Is that a human or? Nope, nope, nope. Boop. Yep. Boop. What? Stay away from me. Stay away. Ah! No! Stay away, Stitch. Stay away, I'm Stitch. Shh, I'm a bush. Is she tasting me? No. She probably did. Respawn. Crap. Oh, leaf block. Hi. Harder. Okay. Well, guys, if you actually see me in the lobby tomorrow, well then just say hi. Yes, even if you have Minecraft or even if you have the Hive, well then just try to find me. And I'll probably do a video. Oh. Okay. And also, guys, I might do a live stream later on today on Mixer. So how about? Yeah, come kill me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is I seriously needed somebody to kill me. Okay, I know where one is. I know where one is. I saw one back here. No, so guys, always follow this tactic. It's because always follow this tactic, guys. It's because if you see like a hider, like a fellow hider, well then just kill him. If you well then go to the same spot as you saw him before, and just kill him. Okay, hold on, let me just try to find. Okay, no. Oh, what the fudge? The fudge. There you are. 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 Oh, I almost died again. Oh, hi. 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 I am Unavenger RJ. Hi. How are you doing? What's do you recognize me or something? Okay, yeah, hi, okay, yeah, see you later, bye. Okay, let me just see. I've already killed 2 blocks so far, that's actually pretty good. Ooh, I know where one is, I know where one is. Oh my gosh. He's over here. Ow. I knew I saw you. Guys, never hit somebody, okay? I was just trying to test him to see if he would actually hit me as soon as I would go near him. It's because if you get hit, well, if you hit... Oh my gosh, that was just a complete guess. That was just a complete guess. That was just a complete guess, bro. How many kills have I gotten so far? I've gotten like 3 already. Yeah, no, I think I've actually gotten 3. So these guys are getting picked off one by one. So I'm gonna look for anybody that's gonna get hit. Yes! GG. Good game. Yes! Yes! Hello, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, peasants. That was absolutely amazing. So how about we right now go to Death Run. Dun 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 dun. Alright, here we go. Death Run is literally just about to start. Just to tell you guys, I suck at this game. Seriously, I suck at this game. I'll vote for a map. I'll just pick the zoo. I've never been down to the zoo before. No, seriously, I've never been down to the zoo. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, here we go. Also, guys, just to give a little couple of shoutouts. Dun 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 dun. Start the music. Dun 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 dun. I want to give a shout out down to Weedwhacker, Dolphin Games, and Ricardo Boss, just because they've been a couple good friends for me. Yeah, so how about, guys, if this video gets 5 likes, well, 3 likes, and I'll actually do a collab with a couple of them. Yeah, so I might actually do one with Ricardo Boss. Alright, so how about if okay, yep, so, yeah. So if this gets 3 likes, then I'll do another one. If this gets 5 likes, then I'll do another one. Or then I'll do a collab. Well, a collab. Not a collab, but... Oh my goodness, I did not see that. How's her? I mean, no, I forgot that I have to do that. Okay. I keep on forgetting that I have to do the left click. Yeah, so also you can kind of like jump, and just sort of like a double jump type of thing. I did not see that coming. Great. Great. Oh my gosh, I almost slipped my hand off of the keyboard. Oh my goodness, that actually saved me. That actually saved me, though. How? Okay, yep, that's just acid right there. So just run normally. Do that. Oh! Did you see that? Oh wow. One eternity later. Oh, acid. Oh, I hate Death Run. No, faster. And I also love the fact that the killers can run faster than us. Okay. Also, yes! Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Sir. Okay. I don't know what the heck happened there with that dude. Oh my gosh. I came in 10th place, brother. Yes. So yeah, guys, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below, and also comment in the comment section down below, and also hit the 3 likes. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.